First type publisher 2016. Now click 2016. Whenever you click, you got this type of 2016 publisher application. So once you open publisher application, you should click built-in. In the built-in, there is a lot of templates are available. One is advertisement, award certificate, banner, brochure, business card, calendar, catalog, everything is there. So using this application, what is the advantage is greeting card, all are available. Using this desktop publication, it is an advantage we can create birthday greetings and marriage invitation, magazine book cover, some award certificates and all we can prepare, advertisement we can do, brochure we can do it, business card we can do it. Clear? This is what the thing. So first class we will start business card. Calendar also we can design. So we start the business card. So first what we did, we open this and then built in business card. Clear? Point number 1. So now I click the business card. Clear? In the business card you can see the lot of things are there. So this is a design of the template, already available template. What is a template? Arrows, brocade, color band, marker. If you see marker, you can see here you can see everything. What are the things? Suppose I put tabs, the design is changing. So different design, photoscape, can you see? So I say ascent box, it's changing. Accessory bar, and then aux, and then axis, bars. So this way different, what is this, what are the design we need, we can select using this publisher. This is called the template. Template what we want, actually the business card template, built-in template we can select. So many templates are there, we can select so many templates. You can see so many templates are there. Cascade, garden, layers, level, network, lot of templates are there. Whatever template we want, we can select the template here. Now for the purpose I am selecting here what? I am selecting here the ascent box. This is one I am selecting. Clear or not? Here next one, color scheme. What are the color scheme? What is the background of the color we need? That is called color scheme. You see here sunrise. If you put, the color is changing. Can you see? Here put sunset, color is changing. Can you see here? Deal, color is changing. Here you see, for example, another one, what is there here? Waterfall. You can see waterfall color. So here you can see wildflower. This way we can have the different color scheme also. I selected wildflower. So here what I selected, ascent box. You can see here, this is my template design, this is my color scheme. The same way third part is font scheme. What exactly font I need? So the font scheme is nothing but, here you can see the font scheme. So you can select whatever the font. Already I have what? Courier New. Suppose I want Calibri, so I will select Calibri. So whatever font I want, I can go and select here. The different font I can select. Arial bold is there, and Comic Sans is there, Courier New bold is there. So I can select whatever font I want. Here I select what? Calibri. So this is what I select. Everyone understood? This is what three things we did. One is we selected from here what is the design, this template, color. Third one is font scheme. Hope everyone understand this one. So this is what the three we selected. And fourth is how to fill up the business information. I will tell you once. This is a first part, how to select the template, how to select the color scheme, how to select the font scheme. This is what in this tutorial.